Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I prepped my nails off camera, so I'm going to jump into doing GelX nails today. I'm using these long XXL square full cover nail tips, and I also already sized my nail tips off camera and made sure they fit sidewall to sidewall. But before we even begin to apply our GelX nail tips, we do need to etch the inside of the tip at where the cuticle will meet. This just makes it a lot easier for adhesion and the gel can stick on a little better. We're just going to slightly buff out the nail with a sanding band. For the nail glue, I will be using this nail glue from Born Pretty. I will also have an alternative linked in the description box. I do want to note when I am applying these full cover nail tips, I'm leaving a very small margin between the cuticle and the tip of the nail, only because I am applying builder gel. But if you want to skip this step and completely cover your entire nail plate, feel free to do so. Now that our nail tips are on, I am going to seal these cuticles using a ceramic nail drill bit. You can also use a sanding band as well, or a mandrel bit. This just ensures that the small margin that I left gets sealed, and when we're doing the builder gel application, we have a seamless application. Now I'm going to go over the entire nail tip using a sanding band. We're going to buff out the surface of the nail since we are applying builder gel, and the builder gel needs something to adhere to. I'm now going to go over the cuticle area with acetone to further seal this and make sure that everything is flush. Before we do any builder gel application, we do need to apply base coat on all of the nails, and I will be curing this in the lamp for 30 seconds. For today's builder gel, I will be using this color from InHype in the color Cool Nude. And for the brush, I am using a regular polygel brush from a nail kit. And I know in my previous GelX videos, when I was doing builder gel application, I would apply a slip layer and then build another bead on top of that. But this time I do want a sheer look, so I'm only going to be painting on the builder gel like I would with gel polish. But I'm also kind of doing a little bit of tapping in areas that are a little bit see-through. Once I was satisfied with the application, I did hold the nail upside down for about a couple seconds just so that the builder gel evens out and levels very well, as builder gel is self-leveling. And then I will cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds, but always follow the instructions on your builder gel package. Here is how our builder gel application is looking. I'm going to go ahead and wipe away the sticky layer using alcohol, and I'm only doing this because I feel like the sidewalls kind of flooded a little bit and I do want to file them down. Moving on to the gel art, I am going to have the inspiration picture somewhere on the screen. We are doing a pomegranate nail set today, so I'm mixing red and a deep pink. I did add a little bit of black, but it took some time for me to get the hue that I wanted. We are going to start with the thumbnail. I'm going to be doing a 90s French on this thumbnail, and I am applying 2 layers of this, curing it for 30 seconds each. So since this is a fruit nail, we are going to be painting the membrane of the pomegranate. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but we're going to be using white gel polish, and there's no instructions. I'm just following the reference photo. So now we're going to be doing the 3D art, and we're going to be doing the seeds of the pomegranate. I will admit that this part is very time consuming. We are just going to be using rhinestone gel for this part, and you do not need a dotting tool. You can actually apply this straight from the rhinestone gel bottle. For the next nail, I'm using the custom purple color that we used, and I will be painting 2 layers of this, curing it for 30 seconds each. We are doing some airbrush art again, and I've been using a lot of airbrush paints in my videos lately. I really want to make a disclaimer that you should be wearing a mask when you do this, or at least have a window open or filter your room, as the fumes can be pretty harsh to breathe in. Since we are doing 3D flowers once again on this nail, we are going to apply base coat and cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds just because the solid nail glue gel needs something to adhere to. For the next nail, we are doing a 90s French again. I also did the same thing on the pinky. I just didn't feel like I needed to show it since it was basically the same thing. And I did cure this in a lamp for 30 seconds once I was done with the hand painting. We are doing some more 3D nail art for this nail. I'm still using the rhinestone gel, and we are just drawing some lines on this nail, nothing too crazy. To finish this look off, I will be applying top coat on all of the nails, and I will be curing this in the lamp for 60 seconds. So here are how my nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This set was so much fun to do. I love fruity nail art and 3D nail art. It's just so much fun, and I feel like it just adds such a nice, fun, and creative look to the nail. I do have everything that I use linked in the description box. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and thank you all so much for watching. I do hope to see you in my next video.